Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious keema recipe. The meat I'm going to use is a ground bison. It will be Matar keema. For our tadka, 1 tablespoon olive oil, the spices, cumin powder, garam masala, black pepper, coriander powder, salt, half teaspoon each. 1 onion, 1 tomato and fresh cilantro, 2 green chili, ginger, 4 garlic cloves. What I have done, I cut into small pieces and let's start making our delicious ground bison Matar keema. Get a pot. I'm going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on high. Add olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. I'll add garlic, ginger, mix it. We'll cook for 20 seconds. We just want that garlicky flavor to go away. This is good enough. I'll add onion. Mix it well. We're going to cook our onion until they are nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. I'll add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes with the cover lid. Mix it well. Tomatoes are tender. We can mash it. I'll add all the spices, salt, black pepper, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder. Mix it well. We're going to cook our spices for a half minute along with tadka. I'll add peas. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add green chili. Mix it. Now I will add bison keema, ground bison. Mix it well. On medium gas, we're going to mix it. Once it's nicely mixed with the tadka, then we'll bring the gas to high and then with the open lid we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring gas on high and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. Keep it moving so it won't get burned. On high gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Now I'll bring gas to medium. Mix it one more time, spread it evenly, cover with the lid and we'll cook it for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking on medium gas with the cover lid. I'm going to open it. I'll bring the gas on high and now with the open lid, we're going to cook the keema until there is no more moisture. Oil start to ooze out. There is no water residue. This is fully cooked. I'll add the last ingredient, good amount of cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, our bison keema is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and I will dish out. I have my serving bowl ready. Look at how delicious bison keema. Let me share with you. Ground bison keema, Matar keema is all ready and it's very tasty and very delicious. If you haven't tried this keema before, please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.